Hello girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today we're going to review some vocabulary words from this unit, means of transport. I'm going to say the word once, as always, and then I am going to count up to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together, okay? Let's go. Ride. 1, 2, 3. Ride. Bike. 1, 2, 3. Bike. Motorbike. 1, 2, 3. Motorbike. Bus. 1, 2, 3. Bus. Car. 1, 2, 3. Car. Train. 1, 2, 3. Train. Airplane. 1, 2, 3. Airplane. Rocket. 1, 2, 3. Rocket. So, those were the words of this week. I hope you like it and learn them. Bye bye. See you.